CMC has been in this business of acting as a global partner to foundries located across the globe. We've been doing this for over 35 years. Provide access to foundries such as TSMC, Global Foundries, ST Microelectronics, AMF, across photonics, microelectronics and MEMS technologies. Industry and academics outside of Canada also have access to services through us. This enables them to produce devices either through multi-project wafer runs, or if they're looking for something in the advanced stages where they're looking for dedicated runs. That's a service we provide too. The way we aggregate designs, it helps researchers, academics and industry folk internationally get cost-effective access to technology. At CMC, we have the benefit of expertise across different technologies. So we've got technical teams across microelectronics, embedded systems, photonics, microelectromechanical systems, nanofabrication and quantum. And we all work together. There's engineering expertise, there's guidance that we provide from years of experience in helping research and industrial clients productize their designs. Basically, it's a service from supporting right from the design phase, providing access to PDKs, fabricating chips, ensuring that they're error-free. We act as a one-stop source of everything that can support development of products that can then go into devices in our everyday life. The advantage that we bring to an industrial client is that he can tap into each of our groups, our expertise, to develop applications that can go across these domains. Yes, many success stories. The clients that have benefited from our services, they have benefited starting as students, going on to advanced research. So we've had that entire dynamic from academic research going to industry within and outside Canada, and research collaborations between Canada and outside. So there's another component to it, which is training. I can talk to specific pieces like photonics related training and microelectronics related training or MEMS related training. So whether you are a student in Canada, a professor, or if you are situated outside of Canada industry, everybody can have access to this training. To learn more about our services, you can check out our website www.cmc.ca, and if you have any inquiries for us, you can write to sales@cmc.ca.